Let's walk through the process of measuring for new, functional exterior window shutters. Measuring requires minimal time and basic equipment, including a steel tape measure, a sturdy ladder, a notepad and pencil to record your measurements. Functional exterior shutters swing or pivot on hinges from a position beside the window to completely cover the window opening. Start by taking note of any obstructions that may prevent the installation of exterior shutters. If the window opening depth is greater than 1.5 inches, measure the width from inside edge to inside edge in 3 places. Record the narrowest of those dimensions. Make a slight deduction to that measurement to ensure clearance, then divide the measurement by 2 for the individual shutter width. Shallow windows will not allow for the shutters to nest inside the opening. Therefore, the shutters will install in front of the window casing. Measure the width from the outside edge of the molding. Measure height in 3 places from the top of the exposed sill to the top of the opening, or the top of the molding, depending on the mounting method selected. If the shutter will be made with a divider rail, specify the location from the bottom of the shutter to the center of the divider. If the window has an existing division, the divider rail should be adjacent. Record all of these dimensions. Label each with a window location. Keep this worksheet handy so the shutters can be identified when they are delivered. Don't assume similar windows are the exact same size. Measure all windows to assure accuracy. Establish where hinges and shutter dogs will attach. Each needs a solid surface to support the weight of the shutters. This is a great time to also select the shutter finish color, matching to the trim paint or the front door. Once your shutters are delivered, check out our installation video for helpful tips to get your shutters up safely and quickly. Visit us at ShutterLand.com for more information.